So recently when I was scrolling my Instagram, I came up with a lot of videos on bioenzymes. But what are bioenzymes actually? And we'll also talk more on how it is used as cleaning agent. So before we move on to bioenzymes, let's see what enzymes are. Enzymes are basically chemical compounds which can catalyze or speed up or increase the rate of reaction. Basically, let us say a chemical reaction is happening at X speed. When a catalyst is used, then it can increase the rate of reaction. That is what is an enzyme. Basically, it's a natural catalyst which is present in all of us. So let us say something like amylase, peptidases, or lactases. All these things are some things which are already present in us, and these are enzymes. So now coming on to bioenzymes.
So bioenzymes are nothing but biological enzymes, as the name suggests, and these are complex protein molecules which can act as catalyst in all our reactions. It can break down complex molecules into simpler form, and that's how it is used in cleaning agents or in the detergents form.
And in the upcoming videos, we'll be coming out with how to prepare bioenzymes and tag people in comment section who are good at preparing bioenzymes so that we can go and ask what do they do and how do they do. And for more such content, do not forget to follow Biotechmaali and stay tuned for more updates, guys. See you soon.